Hi everyone, have a nice new year to all of you. In this eve of this new year, I'm going to show you a new video on tourism and how to book hotels. It's from a well-known app called Make My Trip. Uh, like all other apps, you have to install this app from on Play Store if you are using Android phone. I have already installed the app. Just take a look how to install. Go to Play Store and in here the search box type Make My Trip. This is a very good app to book uh, hotels. This is in various location of the world. Okay, I'm using this app from a long time and getting good result. So this is the app Make My Trip. I've already installed, so it's not prompt for installing. Just open button is here. After installation, you will get this open button. Just simple to install. Just click tap on install. It will install automatically. Yeah, then fill up a form as your login information. Okay, then tap on open. Just loading, and the upper panel will see that uh, you can book here from flight ticket, hotels, and holiday trip, bus, also cabs. Okay, here I am going to show you how to book hotels. Now tap on hotels. Here, the upper panel, you have to select the location I mean to say your destination. Okay, now tap here. Suppose I want to go. Oh, sorry, Goa. Now, uh, after giving destination in lower section, you will find the check in or check out. That's mean hotel check in date and hotel check in out date. Okay, hotel generally book in form of day and night, 3 days 2 night or 4 days 3 night in such way. So you have to first tap here to put up the your desired date. I mean to say which date on in which date you want to book the hotel. Suppose it is 15th. Okay, January 15th, and I want to continue it to 18th. Okay, now this is the source date when you reach the hotel and when you leave the hotel, that is 18th. Then tap on okay. Okay, that's 15th January day to 18th January night. Okay, now I need one room or two room, that's as per your requirement, and number of adults too. uh, done. Okay, two adults and one children, one room. Okay, now this is the what kind of tour it is asking from. I'm tapping on leisure. Now tap on search. What for the hotel available, which hotels are available. So there is a list of hotels are available, that is North Goa, South Goa, Kalingir, Bega, Gandolim, and you can read the details, and as per your requirement you can tap or select hotel. Okay, after selecting, you have to tap on continue. Okay, it is showing the rate. Okay, now select room and deluxe room, executive room. So many rooms are available here. Now I'm going to set deluxe room. Okay, now tap on continue. Now I have not added my details here yet. So if you wish to continue, then you have to first to fill up your details. When if you already fill up your details, you have to tap continue, and there will appear payment options, and as per your payment scheme, you can pay and book hotel. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Have a nice day. Have a nice year, all of you. Thank you.